every huge brand has a signature sound. Think about it. You know, you have that famous HBO sound. Boom. The famous Netflix sound. Ding. But like I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know what it is. Never heard that one before.
Okay, I found this on the web for how to make a good first impression.
When you meet a stranger, you only have 7 seconds to make a good first impression. And your first impression depends on 3 things. Visual, vocal, and verbal. So visual is 55% of your first impression, so more than half depends on how you look. Now vocal is actually 38% of your whole first impression, and what you say, which is verbal, is only 7%. So the way you sound is incredibly important on interpersonal level and on brand level too. A distinctive sound makes a brand 96% more memorable for the consumer. Of course, my company is super small, but why not to have a sound to ourselves? I chose watermelon to be part of our branding for 2 reasons. 1 is the area I come from in Ukraine is known for its watermelons, and 2, I think watermelon being a summer, fresh, kind of vibrant fruit communicates the values of the company quite well. So this is a watermelon number 1. I call him Big Papa. This is our baby watermelon. Let's see how they sound. Come on. Okay, perfect. Don't go anywhere. Now, this isn't super high quality, but I think it's gonna get the job done. And turn it on. So this thing goes all the way up to capture the sound. I'm actually not weak. I'm actually quite strong. Just saying. I'm just gonna do it. Yes! Okay, I think this worked. Perfect. Okay, now let's see how the small one sounds. Slightly underwhelming. Well, don't judge the watermelon by how blurry it is or by how it sounds, because this is great too. Great. Well, this is what we have. This experiment has proven to be such a success. I can't wait to see how the sound has turned out. Okay, now let's import the sound from the microphone. So this goes into my Mac. Come on, big boy. Okay, it's about 2 AM and I've just rendered the sound to go together with the animation for my logo, so oh, okay. Okay, you can go. So here it is, and I hope you guys like it. I think it's funny, and I think this watermelon sound is much better than anything I could find online, so enjoy!